Rear wheel drive 6S. Oh my god. Truck. So Byron has a 6S Max here. I know some people have seen it, but you haven't seen it on this channel yet. Look at him wrap these up here. You're doing a good wrap job there, Byron.
Well, I'm not Eminem.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks for telling me that.
Yeah.
Thanks for allowing us to use your bondage strap for this.
Dude, you know, it's all about that bondage.
All right, 6S Max. And the drivetrain just holds up?
Yep.
Oh my god. Truck. Whoa. That was perfect. Thanks, random dude's truck. Byron? You're gonna get stabbed, bro. Oh, wow. You already burned rubber that bad? All right, let's get away from these cars. Nice. Oh my god. That thing is insane. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Backflip off the stump. You gotta do that good so I can record your leg when you push it up in the air. Nice! I think you just blew your tire. You just blew your tire. All right. What does that mean?
Well, means new car. Oh my god.
There's a lot of water. It's gonna rust. I knew that was gonna happen. I took it like a champ. You broke the everything. They're Maxes, guys. It's all right. Your tires are too good. Oh, that dirty little bush.
What did he say?
Oh my god. Nice. Dude, that's insane. Oh my god. Did you blow another one?
No, but I hear something squeaking really bad, but that's okay.
I found a log over here, bro.
Just kidding, I've already gone through it. Oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that tire.
Oh, I broke something.
Oh my god.
I blew both back tires.
Both back tires are gone?
And I broke the front tire. I'm sorry.
You're good. 6S Max is crazy. It lasted 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
I mean, it's still driving.
It is still driving, but what, did you just blow out a front drive
I blew
shaft?
out a front drive shaft for sure.
That one.
Yep.
On the inside.
Oh, done.
I'd still wheelies just rear wheel drive. Insane.
All right, where are we going to play?
Oh my god, look how big the tire is. This is 6 times zoom and the tire is huge. You got it. Just rear wheel drive and still got it.
Two blown back tires.
Those tires are crazy looking.
Oh, there's a foam blowing out as well.
Oh yeah, the foam completely came out.
Well, we're cutting that.
You don't need the foam anymore.
Nope. There we go.
Nice.
$600 on the channel.
Oh my gosh, blown foam. I said we go over there to the fence and see if we can climb the fence. Nice. Oh my god! That is so funny. This is gonna rust so bad. That is insane, dude. Oh my god. It's going to. It's gonna hurt one of us.
So I think the outer bead on this one over here that blew up,
Yeah.
definitely letting loose.
Oh yeah.
It's folding in like really bad.
It's eventually gonna just do it. Oh my god. Yeah, it works.
Yeah.
Rear wheel drive 6S. That's not just a tire. That was so weird.
Where's the bearing at? Is
I think the bearing's still on here.
Oh. Well, we're driving this back to the car.
All right, one wheel drive.
Yeah, it ain't gonna go.
Look at that.
Okay, well.
Something's smoking.
Huh?
What?
What's smoking? Two-wheel drive, bro.
Oh my god. Oh my. I can't even speak. It's got me so fumbling. Yeah? Nice. Bigfoot quick. Kyle just looking. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh. What was that?
I don't know. What was that? I think it was just the body's going.
Yeah. Nope.
What?
That was something else.
What happened?
We're disturbing Kyle over here who's quietly fishing. He said, what? Yeah, I can give you a push.
Because I think I had a dead spot. It's only that big. We just can't keep doing it. That sounds amazing.
Yeah, it does. Byron's killing everything. I mean, it's still running, honestly. Dude, that sounds so bad.
No, it's just a nitro, bro.
Oh, yeah. That's a 2-stroke, brother.
It's actually an old big block.
1 stroking.
It's a big block, bro.
I'm just trying to make it self-clear.
No, it's just
It's skipping. Oh my gosh. It's so loud.
Oh. It died. You saw that 52 tooth?
Yeah, it's in my pocket, actually.
Cool. We're gonna need it.
Back to the car we go. Well, yeah, you totally killed that one. Well, that's the end of Bigfoot. So after further conclusion, it's not the gear. As you can see, the gear is perfectly fine and spinning. But, oh, that sounds terrible. It's something to do in the transmission. Oh my god.